Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with aligned bracketed files. Make sure at least 3 exposures cover shadows and highlights. Open them in Photoshop, stack darkest above medium and brightest last, then auto-align layers. This prevents ghosting. Once aligned, convert the stack to individual smart objects so you can non-destructively edit each exposure. Now add layer masks to each smart object. The masks are where you paint exposure control. This first step sets a stable foundation, so take care and confirm alignment before moving on. Now build your blend by revealing the best parts of each exposure with layer masks. Use a soft brush at 0-100% opacity to hand paint transitions. This feels slower but yields seamless results. For precision, generate luminosity masks to target highlights or shadows, and refine with quick mask mode. This prevents haloing. Once done, apply curves adjustment layers clipped to each smart object to tune contrast and color per exposure. Make sure transitions read natural across edges, and zoom to check fine details. Finish by creating a merged copy of your visible layers so you preserve masks underneath. Then perform global color and contrast tweaks with curves or camera raw filter. Once satisfied, sharpen selectively and export as 16-bit TIFF for maximum quality or JPEG if required. If you notice halos or color shifts near seams, create a small mask correction or use clone stamp on a duplicated merged layer to heal edges. If ghosting persists, realign and reduce mask opacity where motion caused issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.